How to connect Facebook to Shopify. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can connect your Facebook to your Shopify store. Simply open up Shopify and then after that simply click on the left side on apps, and then from over here simply click on recommended apps. Then click on Shopify App Store at the bottom, and then that is gonna take you guys over to the Shopify App Store. Once you guys come over to the Shopify App Store, you guys are gonna see this particular dashboard. Simply type in Facebook over here, and then after that press enter, and then as soon as you guys press enter, simply look for Facebook and Instagram. So from over here you guys have the option to basically link your Facebook and Instagram by simply clicking on the first option, which is Facebook and Instagram by Meta. Simply click on add app, and then after that you guys are gonna have your Facebook and also your Instagram directly linked to your Shopify store. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually link your Facebook to Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.